In a singly reinforced rectangular beam, in a singly reinforced rectangular beam, B equal to 250 millimeters, comma, effective depth D equal to 570 mm, and AST equal to 800 millimeters square. M20 grade concrete and Fe415 grade steel are used. Assuming material factor of safety, material metal assuming partial safety factor of partial safety factor of concrete as 1.2 instead of 1.5, find the depth of neutral axis in millimeters. See, generally, as per IS 456, partial safety factor of concrete is 1.5, but in this problem he has given take material factor of safety of concrete as 1.2 instead of 1.5. So means here our stress block will be like this. Stress block will be like this. Here, generally we use here 0.446 FCK, but here that is 0.446 is actually 0.67 FCK divided by gamma of concrete, material factor of safety. That is equal to now 0.67 FCK by 1.2 here now. Generally it is 1.5, but in this problem he has given 1.2. So that equal to this 0.61 by 1.2, this one, and this is as usual, this is depth of neutral axis XU. That means here, as per strain diagram, this is 3/7 of XU and this is 4/7 of XU. Now area of stress block equal to stress block equal to rectangular portion first 0.67 by 1.2 FCK into 3/7 of XU plus 2/3 of 0.67 by 1.2 FCK into 4/7 of XU. Calculating, this will be 0.452 FCK XU. This is the area stress block. That means average compressive stress equal to 0.452 FCK, because area of stress block divided by XU is the average compressive stress. Now we know compressive force equal to tensile force, equilibrium condition. Compressive force equal to tensile force. So compressive force means compressive stress 0.452 FCK is the compressive stress into area of concrete is B into XU. Compression zone of concrete area, that is B into XU. That is equal to tensile force. Tensile force will be resisted by only steel. That means 0.87 Fy is the steel, the stress in steel, because Fy divided by 1.15, because partial safety factor of steel is 1.15. So F5 divided by 1.15, that is nothing but 0.87 F5 is the stress in steel into area of steel is AST. Therefore, XU equal to 0.87 F5 AST divided by 0.452 FCK into B, that equal to 0.87 into 415 into AST is 800 divided by 0.452, FCK is 20, B equal to 250. So that equal to 128 mm. See now this 0.45 is the crucial factor here. Average stress is 0.45 to FCK. See this 0.452 can be achieved like this. See we know 0.67 by for outermost stress of outermost stress of 0.67 FCK by 1.5 average stress stress average equal to 0.36 FCK. Now for outermost stress of 0.67 FCK by 1.2, sigma A equal to, directly we can do like this, 0.36 FCK. See, we don't want this 1.5, that's why into 1.5 by 1.2, that is equal to, directly we will get 0.452 FCK. So like this, the average stress can be found directly by simple analysis here, instead of being aware this area of stress block and all. So like this also you can find average stress as 0.452 FCK. So after getting the 0.45 FCK in our formula, substitute 0.452 instead of 0.36 and get the XU value as 128 mm.